26 all-in-one rod and reel with line. Updated design featuring a round knob, thumb button extension and finger guard. Lights flash when thumb button is pressed. Includes practice casting plug. Top reviews from the United States. Great starter for young sports girls. Got this for my daughter since she wants to go fishing really badly. Rod seems sturdy enough for fish under 20 pounds. Lights work. Has an index finger grip so she won't throw the rod. Line seems to be a very thin fishing line, can probably catch 20 pounds and under fish. The practice floating foam fish that came with it is a fun game, but the fake hook should have been made out of a solid plastic since foam won't sink unless I add fishing weights to it. Overall a great buy for the price.